Here I have ALCATEL V3 and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record your screen you have to hold down combination power key and volume up. And the screen recorder icon will appear. Here you can see, by tapping on it, you can start recording here. And now screen is recording. Tap it once again here and you can stop recording. So you can find your record here in the videos album. Here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.